The Safaricom Foundation has been working to make our promise of transforming lives our guiding purpose. Through sustainable projects in education, health, economic empowerment, arts and culture, disaster relief, environmental and water conservation. Over the past 16 years, our achievements include 194 co-founding partnerships and 241 implementation partnerships, supporting 442 projects in all the 47 counties and directly impacted 4.5 million lives. Kenya has made great strides in universalizing access to elementary education. However, one of Kenya's most developmental challenges now is how to raise the quality of basic education. CBM partnered with the Safaricom Foundation and stepped in to alleviate the situation.
We were inspired by the marginalization of the most disadvantaged groups of people with disabilities. That's why we came together and decided to have what we call Wezesha Elimu project on promoting access to education for children with disabilities in Kenya.
These families are not able to get enough money for the children to be treated, and the CBM and Safaricom Foundation have really helped in terms of sponsoring patients so that they can access treatment at our hospital.
Vile alifanya operation, ninaweza enda shule na kukimbia. Nimefurahi sana.
Recent decades have witnessed great progress in improving the health status of Kenyans. Data shows that 2 women get obstetric fistula per 100 births, resulting to 2,400 new cases annually.
We started an intervention for obstetric fistula, which is a debilitating childbirth injury that happens to women of childbearing age. So Safaricom Foundation funds the actual surgeries as well as capacity building of the community health workers who may be involved in actually mobilizing patients for the camp.
Kama singepata hiyo matibabu, hakuna kazi ningekuwa nikifanya.
We partnered with Hand in Hand East Africa and started an initiative to provide microloans to Kenyans aged 18 years and above in targeted counties of Busia, Homa Bay and Bomet.
Ulikuwa unaweza kaa karibu wiki moja bila kupata shilingi 50, lakini saa hii unaweza uza seedlings na unaweza ingiza hata shilingi 600 kwa siku.
Through those enterprises, they are able now to improve their livelihood, to educate their children, and overall improve the livelihood of the community.
Safaricom Foundation had long recognized the importance of arts and culture as a key element of development. In the last 5 years, the foundation worked with partners to identify, protect, preserve, and enhance Kenya's art and cultural heritage.
We developed a partnership with the Safaricom Foundation in 2006.
The artworks have been laid out in Gertrude's Garden Children's Hospital, Mathare Hospital, Kenyatta National Hospital, and Nakuru General Provincial Hospital.
We have created 376 artworks, each 8 feet by 4 feet.
Over the years, we have been able to reach at least 76,000 young people through arts and culture.
The children that we've worked with over time, we have connected them with an organization that is keen on building communities, because that is the true spirit of our foundation.
Disaster and emergencies occur nearly every day and affect thousands of communities in Kenya, leaving citizens in urgent need of help to survive and recover. We provide initial funding to humanitarian agencies for disasters and emergencies amongst the communities in Kenya. In 2016, Safaricom Foundation contributed funds to support families in Samburu who were affected by drought and famine. Safaricom Foundation contributed essential amenities, including food and beddings, towards the victims of the Huruma building collapse. In 2017, we supported Moi Girls Nairobi after a deadly fire at the school. Our aim is for a disaster-free Kenya. But until that happens, we will always be here to give a helping hand. Our environmental conservation and preservation exercises have positively impacted at least 185,000 Kenyans. Garindare, as a forest reserve, is an important dry season feeding ground for a wide variety of wild animals.
Conservation of indigenous forests like this one is very, very important. Many communities here depend on it.
Tunasaidiana na community kuona hii wanyama wako safe na the forest yenyewe iko sawa.
Water and sanitation are at the very core of sustainable development. Together with our partners, we are continuously working to make communities more water secure. Currently, we have managed to reach more than 300,000 people with clean water across the country. The foundation funded the development of a borehole system to serve the residents of Mosiro Market Center and its environs with piped water for human and livestock use.
2 water points was for sharing water, 1 water point to the school, and another one would be connected to Mosiro Water Project. And now the community and the women can just walk a few meters from their homes to the water point and get water.